cost reimbursable contract, also known as a cost plus contract, is a type of agreement commonly used in the construction industry. In this contract arrangement, the project owner agrees to reimburse the contractor for the actual costs incurred during the construction process, along with an additional fee or profit margin. Before we delve into the details, advantages and disadvantages of cost reimbursable contracts in construction, please subscribe to our channel. We post a new video every single week. Advantages of cost reimbursable contracts. Flexibility. Cost reimbursable contracts provide flexibility to accommodate changes and uncertainties during the construction project. This is particularly advantageous when the project scope or requirements are not fully defined, or when there are potential risks and uncertainties that could impact the final cost. The contractor can adjust the costs and resources as needed, allowing for adaptability and responsiveness to evolving project needs. Improved collaboration. Since the contractor's costs are reimbursed, there is often a higher level of collaboration between the project owner and the contractor. They work together closely to control costs, monitor expenses, and make informed decisions regarding project changes. The collaboration fosters a stronger working relationship and enables better communication and problem solving. Transparency. Cost reimbursable contracts require the contractor to provide detailed documentation and periodic reports on costs incurred. This level of transparency allows the project owner to review and verify the expenses, ensuring that they align with the project's objectives and budget. It helps in building trust and minimising the chances of cost overruns due to questionable expenses. Greater risk sharing. With a cost reimbursable contract, the risks associated with the project are shared between the project owner and the contractor. The project owner assumes the responsibility of reimbursing the contractor's costs, while the contractor is accountable for managing and controlling these costs. This shared risk encourages both parties to work collaboratively to mitigate the risks and achieve project success. Disadvantages of cost reimbursable contracts. Cost uncertainty. One of the major drawbacks of cost reimbursable contracts is the inherent cost uncertainty. Unlike fixed price contracts where the project owner has a clear understanding of the project costs up front, cost reimbursable contracts provide less certainty. If the project encounters unexpected challenges, or if the contractor's costs escalate beyond the anticipated levels, the project owner may end up paying more than initially expected. This uncertainty can make budgeting and financial planning more challenging. The administrative burden. Cost reimbursable contracts require extensive documentation and reporting from the contractor. This administrative burden can be time-consuming and resource-intensive, as the contractor needs to maintain accurate records of all project-related costs and provide necessary documentation to support reimbursement claims. Both the project owner and the contractor need to invest additional effort in tracking and verifying costs, which can increase administrative complexities. The potential for disputes. The flexibility inherent in cost reimbursable contracts can sometimes lead to disputes between the project owner and the contractor. Disagreements may arise regarding the reasonableness of certain expenses, the adequacy of documentation, or the determination of the contractor's fee or profit margin. Resolving these disputes can be time-consuming and may strain the working relationship between the parties involved if not managed correctly. In conclusion, cost reimbursable contracts provide flexibility, collaboration, and transparency in construction projects. However, they also introduce cost uncertainty, the potential of cost overruns, and disputes. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.